Hello, and thank you for watching this video. First off, I'd like to start by saying a big thank you. Through the support and loyalty of all our clients that we have grown and continue to grow as the SEAC Commission. Our goal always in return for this support has been to provide an exceptional level of service. We do this by recruiting the best talent, providing them with the best tools and the best resources, and empower them to provide the as promised and as expected exceptional level of service. Since starting SEAC, referrals have always been a major part of our business growth. And even though none of our clients have ever asked for anything in return, we wanted a way to say thanks. So how are we going to do this? We're going to keep it very simple. For every new client you refer to us, we will send you a $100 Visa gift card. To the referred client or new client, they will receive a $100 SEAC voucher to be used on the many services we offer. If you would like to know more, please feel free to call or click the link below. And also, please feel free to share this video or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Again, thank you for your time and support, and we hope to continue to provide you an exceptional level of service you expect and deserve as an SEAC client. Thank you.